So in this video, you'll learn how to change the region and time zone of the roaming clock on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So the first step is to open the Settings app. Then you want to scroll and select the option Lock Screen. Under Lock Screen, tap on Roaming Clock. And then the next step is to ensure that this feature is enabled. Once it's enabled, the default region should be your current location. So in order for you to change it, you're just going to select the region. You can scroll through the listed options, or you can use the search function and find your preferred region. Then you're just going to select it. Once you've selected it, depending on the region that you've chosen, you will be prompted to choose a time zone. So choose your time zone. Then you can see you've successfully changed the region and time zone of your roaming clock. If you've chosen a region that has multiple time zones and you want to switch from one time zone to another, you will need to go back and choose the exact same region so that you can be able to change the time zone. So you can choose that and then just select another region, and you can see another time zone. So you can see the region has stayed the same, but the time zone has changed. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.